amazing. Thank you. I appreciate that very much.
You also sang it at the pen with your mom.
Sandali lang po. If you don't remember, my mother was the late Elizabeth Ramsey. Sandali, hindi mo siya. Halika! Halika dali! Sama dito! She's here courtesy of the Holy Spirit. That's amazing. When I say her name, anywhere I go, people go, ah! Day! Dong! Kumusta mo niya? That's crazy. I'm like having flashbacks right now. Pasensya na po. Never pa po ako nag-show na may nagsabi na kanta na hindi ko po ginagawa. So that means maybe you really do appreciate the music I do. Thank you. That's insane. Siyempre po. Are you Filipino, sir? Kalahati. Ako one-fourth. Kasi, hindi, I'm one-fourth Jamaican. Because my mom was half Jamaican. Ang saya niyong patawanin, grabe. Merci beaucoup.